Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're all about plucking fruits. Yeah, so we're actually plucking fruits. We're plucking the soursop. So this is the soursop tree. This is the soursop tree. It has soursops, so we're trying to pluck. We're good. So we've already plucked some. We've already plucked one. Yeah. So we're trying to pluck some. Tomato. These are the soursops. So these are the soursop that we plucked here. As you can see, they're in the tree. So I'm still showing you. Right now I'm going to pluck lemons. Just keep on watching. Yeah, don't forget, for those who are new, to subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, we're gonna pluck the lemons and checking out the guanadillas if there's any that is ripe or what. We want to check. Yeah, so there's this peach tree where the guanadillas have hung in, but the lemons are really ready. So I want to pluck some lemons. Hello little garden. Our garden is really coming up good. Just wait for the next season for the garden. We'll update you. Lemons. These lemons are juicy. Very fresh lemons. We have juicy lemons here. Juicy fresh lemons. As you can see, some have just fallen down. So guys, we found the ripe granadilla. Just plucked. Yeah, this one is ripe. So put in the plastic as we're looking for other ripe granadillas. There are these other granadillas, the same ripe. Yeah, so these are the guanadillas. Now we're gonna pluck the lemons. So we're now plucking the lemons. So guys, we've come across the guavas. We pluck some of the guavas. So we found some other ripe guavas. Ripe guavas. So guys, these are the guavas that we plucked from the orchard. And as you can see, the fresh, nice guavas. We are here at the purple plantation. I call it the purple plantation because there are a lot of purples. So right now, we're trying to pluck a purple. So we're trying to pluck a purple. There's a ripe purple here. I have a ripe purple.
Wishing it. Come on, punish. Shut up. There you. I think. Okay.
So guys, these are the fruits that are in season. These are the fruits that we meant to plant. These are the lemons, our guavas, and we have grenadillas, and we have the salsa. Guys, so today I'm not making a fruit salad yet, but I'll make the fruit salad after we have supper. So I'm just gonna show you how a grenadilla looks inside, a guava and lemon and this also. Okay, that's what I'm gonna show you. But as the fruit salad, I'm gonna make it after dinner. So this is how a grenadilla looks like. Yeah, this is the inside of the grenadilla. Then I'm gonna cut a lemon. This is how a lemon looks like. Then I'm gonna just wash my knife. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the guava. is what the guava looks like. Okay, I'm gonna put my sauce up. This is how my sauce up looks like. So guys, this is the outcome of the fruits. This is the guava, this is the granadilla, this is the sour sap, and this is a lemon. So these are the fruits that are seasoning right now in this season. So I have my pawpaw here that have guavas. So I'm just gonna cut the pawpaw and show you how it looks from inside. Yeah, for those who are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, don't forget to leave us a comment, tell us what you think about this fruits. Yeah, keep on watching. So I'm gonna start by cutting it first. Yeah, you see how the pawpaw is inside ripe and fresh. So what I'm gonna do is clean the seeds as usual. Remove the seeds from inside of the pawpaw. So you see how the pawpaw looks like inside, right? It's very nice. So guys, this is how my pawpaw looks unlike inside, and the guavas. We have red guavas and we have white guavas. So these are white guavas. This is how they look inside, and this is how the pawpaw looks like. Yeah, so all I have to say is thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye. God bless you all.